Hello, learners. Welcome to you. I hope by the grace of Allah you are well and I am also well. Okay, let's start our session. Our session is article. So we know the definition of article. Article is a and the are called article. There are two kinds of article: definite article and indefinite article. Definite article a and are definite article the are indefinite article a and. Again, definite article the are indefinite article a and. Indefinite article indicates general, but definite article indicates specific. Okay, we see the example. A is used before consonant. That is a book. Here B is a consonant, so A is used here. Pen P is a consonant, so A is used here. Cat C consonant, so A is used here. These are the example of A before consonant A is used. Next, we see with of and. Very important thing. There are some vowels A, E, I, O, U. Before vowels, an is used here. We see the example. Apple is a word. Here A is a vowel, so an is used here. Next, egg. E is a vowel and an is used here. Next, ice cream, I is a vowel and an is used here. O is a vowel, an is used here. Umbrella is a word, U is a vowel and an is used here. But here is vowel sound. It is consonant, but sound is vowel. Suppose A is silent, the sound is honest, so n is used here. Another example, our A is silent. A is consonant, but sound is vowel. So before our n is used here. Also example, an M. M is a consonant, but sound is vowel. So n is used here. MD, M consonant but sound is vowel, so n is used here. These are the examples of n, where is used n. Okay, learners. Next, use of article the. This is a definite article and it indicates specific something. Example. Holy book, that is the Quran. The Bible. Next, river, specific thing, and before the name of the rivers we use article the. The Padma, the Meghna. Next, the sea, the Pacific Ocean. Only existence, that is the sun, the moon, the earth. It is only existence except God. Next, newspaper such as the Daily Star, the ittifaq. Okay, these are the examples of before use definite thing or specific thing, use the. Next example, superlative degree, that is the best boy, the largest city, it's next comparative degree, the sooner, the better. Okay, next date, that is the 5th January. The 7th April. Okay, these are the examples of the indicate definite thing or specific thing. Okay, learners, next time I will say something about this point. These are the home tasks for you. If any problem, you will ask next class. Okay, thank you all.